guys, show for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA PLEASURES VELOPHASIS. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at Puma's latest collab with the Los Angeles-based streetwear brand PLEASURES, and we've got a look at their VELOPHASIS layers model, and we've got this in the Cayenne Pepper colorway, UK precise 7.5, CRB 41, and it's US 8.5. Before we get on boxing, I just want to show the box. It's really dope. It's kind of got that camo-esque vibe, and you've got the PLEASURES logo there, the Puma, and sport art like oh, I can't even read that. Whoa, that's right there. My lord, I cannot read that, so I'm not even gonna attempt. I don't have my glasses on, so don't blame me. That's my bad, guys. Sorry. Let's get unboxing. This is a dope sneaker. I mean, this looks like a normal running sneaker, but it's got the PLEASURES logo on it. For those that don't know, I've mentioned it before I opened it. PLEASURES is a Los Angeles-based streetwear brand, and they take a lot of inspiration from grunge, punk music. Think of like an American undercover, but I wouldn't say it's much high fashion. So this is a new model. It's inspired by a lot of 2000s, early 2000s running models, not specific, well, it's from Puma's archives they've taken inspiration from, and it does look like one of those early 2000 runners that were, honestly, you can see them everywhere, from like Nike, Asics, even Puma were doing it there. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you've got all a rubber outsole, and you've got the power plate from Puma right there. It's essentially a shank plate to keep your stability. You've got the traction patterning with the light orange, and again, like I mentioned before, you've got the power plate from Puma here in the middle. The midsole is just a foam midsole right all around. Obviously, as I mentioned before, it's protected and is like structured by the power plate that's underneath. And the upper, so this upper is made out of a range of materials. It's all synthetics, so you can kind of see you've got your heat pressed plastics on the foam strip from Puma there. That is quite iconic from Puma. A lot of Puma products has that foam strip. And on the lateral side, you've got the foam strip, and you've got the PLEASURES logo that's on this plastic part also. And if you look at the medial side, you've got the Puma cat logo right there, and it's in the gloss also there stitched on. It's made out of your meshes, so just underneath you can see the breathability on the holes in the toe box. The whole sneaker itself actually is like a traditional runner with the strips here. It's all man-made materials, all synthetics right there. And then your lacing system. So you've got another pair of laces, some flat laces with the crisscross action. Then you've got the PLEASURES logo on the lace just to tuck underneath, and then at the top of the tongue, it's very nice and padded. You've got the Puma lettering. Also, the heel, you've got the Puma cat logo right there. Again, it's surrounded in all the synthetic materials. Then you've got your textiles there also for the back. The inside, you've got a foam gel-like insole, and you've got the Puma and the PLEASURES logo. And you can faintly see it. So if you look going back to the lateral side, you can kind of see here by the heel, it says the name, the VELOPHASIS, right there. Inspired by looks from 2000s, this sneaker kind of looks like also the Triple S from Balenciaga. It's not as big or as chunky, but it's like a minimal version. However, this is the kind of looks that we're seeing a lot of nowadays. People wear like the the Gel Cayanos 14s from Asics. tons of like runners from Nike, your 95s and 97s, all of that. Your 110s, figures not the 110s, your Nike TN, the Tuners. And yeah, this is more or less PUMA's answer, collabed with the streetwear brand PLEASURES. Really excited to try this on. So roll that footage of me trying these Velophasis on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size PUMA fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. My toes are where they need to be, and this is very comfortable. It might be the insole because it's gel and it's raised. It's very comfortable. These look really cool on as well. It's giving me that mid 2000s vibe, and again, that is the fashion when it comes to sneakers at this time. They look really cool on. And if you're wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo parachute pants. I don't think you can get this on Uniqlo at the minute, but do check out your local Uniqlo or the website. This is not a sponsor from Uniqlo, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some garments your boys' way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.